Hey folks, let's play a quick game of word association. I'll say email marketing and you think, where do I even begin? Is anybody reading my emails? Or your brain goes, I sent it, but now what? I feel you, but hang on. What if I told you that email marketing done right doesn't have to be a headache? Hey there, I'm Erin from SiteGround. In today's video, I'm breaking down the key steps of email marketing so that by the end, you'll feel like an absolute email marketing pro. We'll go over the fundamentals of email marketing for beginners, like choosing a software, list building, segmentation, and email metrics. We'll also take a look at the most effective email marketing tips for making your emails so good that people will actually look forward to them. And we'll discuss some common email marketing mistakes to avoid. Let's get started. Oh, and before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell so that you never miss any of our new videos. What is email marketing and why it's important in 2024? In short, it's the art of sending targeted emails such as newsletters, promotions, and other types of messages to your customers and leads. Email marketing is still one of the most effective marketing channels. It offers a crazy return on investment. According to various sources, the average ROI for email marketing is $36 for every dollar spent. Why is that? Because it provides a different way to communicate with your audience and an opportunity to personalize and automate your messaging. Sounds like something you don't want to miss, right? But where do you even start? Step 1, define your goals. Simply ask yourself, what do you want to achieve with email marketing? It could be increasing sales, boosting your website traffic, converting leads into clients, raising brand awareness, or any number of other objectives. Setting specific goals from the start will guide your efforts and keep you focused. So take the time to define your goals and keep them front and center as you move forward. Step 2, key features your email marketing tool must have. Now that you've defined your goals, it's time to choose an email marketing platform. Selecting the right tool will streamline numerous tasks, so here are the must-haves that will immensely simplify your work. List building. A robust email marketing tool should include options for creating sign-up forms that can smoothly integrate into your website. Look for a tool that lets you capture emails easily through embedded forms, landing pages, or pop-ups. Audience segmentation and personalization. Sending the same generic content to your entire audience simply doesn't work anymore. Your email marketing tool should allow you to segment subscribers based on different criteria, such as demographics, engagement, or purchase history. With this capability, you can then send personalized email campaigns to each group, making your content more relevant and ultimately boosting engagement. It's necessary that your tool also provides personalization options. Adding recipient names, whether in the subject line or in the body of the email, can help you create a more meaningful connection with subscribers and make them feel special. Intuitive, no-code email builder. You want an email marketing tool that helps you create professional-looking emails, but without needing any coding skills. It's crucial to choose a platform that's intuitive and easy to use, so you can start right away without feeling intimidated. That way, you won't feel overwhelmed by complex and unnecessary features, and you'll be able to focus on what really matters, crafting beautiful emails and fast. Mobile optimization. Next, make sure your email tool offers responsive design by optimizing your email for different screens. This is critical, given that today, a large portion of users view emails on mobile devices. High deliverability. It's important to look for an email marketing platform that has features improving email deliverability so that your email lands in inboxes, not in spam folders. Straightforward analytics and reporting. Last but not least, a good tool will provide clear and easy to interpret insights into your email campaign, helping you refine and improve future results. A key feature to consider here is the double opt-in. It requires subscribers to confirm their subscription and also improves the quality of your list. That's because it ensures your subscribers really want to hear from you. It also helps maintain a good sender reputation. But there's way more to achieving high email deliverability. We'll spare you all the technical jargon, but suffice it to say that it's essential to find an email marketing partner that can make things easier for you. Here at SiteGround, we are pretty pumped to have launched one of the easiest email marketing platforms on the market, and at a great price too. I'll admit you might be a little biased. But with over 20 years of experience hosting email, we've ensured our tool provides every critical feature you need for a successful campaign. Plus, it's intuitive and easy to start and use. All the powerful features without the overwhelm. If you want to learn more, just click the link in the description below. Build a quality email list. So you've set your goals and you've got the email marketing tool, but there's a little problem. Where are all the subscribers? How do you get people to actually sign up for your list? Don't worry, you're not alone. All of us email marketers have been there. We know how it goes. You start with one subscriber, probably your mom, and after that, there's nothing but silence. Here's how to fix this. The most effective way to grow your subscriber list is by offering something of value to your prospects in exchange for their name and email address. In other words, a lead magnet. It could be a product trial, webinar, coupons, printables, free book, or whatever is suitable for your business. Let's say you're a fashion consultant or a style advisor. In this case, you could offer your leads a free guide on this season's hottest fashion trends. Then you can promote this free piece of content on social media and other platforms. Advertise it on Google, add a sign-up form on your website, or create a dedicated landing page for your free materials. Landing pages are by far the greatest way to acquire valuable emails for your list. They work like magic, especially if you add a lead magnet. That means offering something valuable to subscribers while still leaving them wanting more from you. That said, it's crucial to offer something relevant and really helpful without giving away everything up front. That's why this is a great way to build a quality subscriber base. You give subscribers something they want and then get to keep them coming back for more. Step 4, segment your email list for better results. Now that you know how to build your subscriber list, it's time to get fancy with segmentation. By grouping your subscribers, you can deliver more relevant, personalized, and targeted content, leading to better results. Indeed, segmentation brings many benefits. More satisfied subscribers, improved engagement rates, and, of course, higher conversions. How exactly to segment your list depends on your business and goals, but some of the most common types of segmentation include demographic, behavior, purchase history, and level of engagement. For example, you could target clients who recently abandoned their cart by sending them a personalized email that offers a discount, or send a special offer to frequent and loyal buyers. Or base segmentation on user behavior, such as inactivity, and send out re-engagement campaigns. The point here is that segmentation allows you to connect more meaningfully with your audience, which makes it an especially powerful marketing technique that you don't want to miss out on. It's worth noting that the SiteGround email marketing platform allows you to segment your audience hassle-free. Click the link in the description below to explore it. Step 5, write compelling subject lines and copy. All right, let's move on to the next step, which is all about crafting those emails. Because writing emails that people actually want to open is harder than it looks. You have only seconds to get their attention before they're gone watching cat videos. So how do you make your emails irresistible? It all starts with your subject line, so make it count. It should clearly state the benefits and the value of your offer, product, or service. Make it as short as possible, ideally up to 50 characters. To grab readers' attention, personalize your subject line by including the recipient's name and location. This automatically makes your email feel just a little bit less anonymous and can instantly boost open rates. These are just a couple subject line tips and tricks, but really there are so many more I'd like to share with you. And unfortunately, we don't have time today. Would you like me to make a video only on subject lines? Leave me a comment and I'll do my best. As for the email body, make sure to communicate your offer at the beginning of the email and keep it as brief as possible. Break the text into short paragraphs, use bullet points, and use complementary graphics so that your content is easily scannable and appealing. And, of course, leverage AI to help you generate content. Speaking of which, the SiteGround email marketing platform features a handy email writer that can create content for you, saving you both time and effort. Lastly, don't forget to pay attention to your call to action. Whether it's a button or hyperlinked text, it should be visible and enticing. Ultimately, what matters is to make it obvious what you want your recipients to do next. Step 6, ensure modern, catchy, and mobile-friendly design. In 2024, Design matters more than ever. That's because these days, people are bombarded with emails every single day. So having beautiful and well-structured emails is a must. Again, I could talk for hours about email design, but I want to keep this video on point. So if you're interested in learning more, let me know in the comments and I'll work on a separate video. Long story short, your first step is to choose the layout for your email campaign. Most email service providers offer a variety of ready-to-use templates, making the step easier. These templates help organize different email elements like sections, text, CTAs, images, and videos. Here are some of our in-house design templates that are readily available for our customers. I'll leave a link in the description in case you want to check them out. Now make sure to keep your design clean, uncluttered, and balanced. Choose an easily readable font and also colors that are in line with your brand. Try to stick to the same font and color scheme consistently within your email and in future emails. As for images, use them to capture your recipient's attention. Just make sure they are professional looking, high quality, and fit with your brand. And don't go too crazy with them. Excessive image use can lead to slower email loading time, so be mindful of their size. Lastly, as I've mentioned before, don't forget to ensure your emails are mobile friendly. With over 50% of emails being opened on mobile devices, this is a must. Here are some quick ways to make your email optimized for mobile. Choose a template with a responsive design so it looks equally good on different screens. Optimize and compress images to reduce loading time. Use short subject lines and preview text so they are easy to read on smaller screens. Step 7. Monitor email analytics and adapt accordingly. So once you've sent your beautifully crafted emails, the next critical part of email marketing involves analyzing your metrics. This will allow you to objectively measure how well your email campaigns are performing and what can be improved. Here are the key metrics you should be tracking. The open rate shows the percentage of people who opened your email. It's an indicator of whether your subject line was relevant and attention-grabbing. An average open rate for small businesses hovers around 36%. Of course, the higher the open rate, the better. The click-to-open rate, also known as the CTR, is one of the most important metrics as it reveals the percentage of recipients who click on links inside your emails. It shows whether readers find your email content relevant and useful, and if it matches the expectations set by your subject line. According to data collected from the SiteGround email marketing tool, small business owners see an average click-to-open rate of around 6.4%. Are people leaving your list? An increasing unsubscribe rate might seem a little discouraging, but it's worth noting that it can actually be beneficial. It helps clean your list of recipients who are no longer interested in your content, and thus it improves your subscriber list quality. A good unsubscribe rate is below 0.5%, indicating that your audience is engaged and finds your content valuable. Don't be frustrated if your numbers aren't optimal right away. I feel you. Been there, got the sad stats to prove it. If you want to take a deep dive into email stats, what they reveal, as well as industry averages, we have the perfect article for you. Just click the link in the description below. Step 8. Avoid common email mistakes. Finally, let's talk about some common email marketing mistakes that you should avoid at all costs. Tip number 1, avoid using spam triggering words like act now, buy now, free money, 100% free, or don't delete. Using such phrases can cause your emails to land in spam folders faster than you can say limited time offer. That's because these kinds of phrases can get flagged by email providers and lower your chances of reaching your audience's inboxes. Tip number 2, buying an email list can be tempting, especially for beginners, but it's a recipe for poor engagement and even damaged sender reputation. Purchase lists often lead to higher bounce rates as they contain old, inaccurate data. Also, bot recipients do not expect to receive emails from you. This increases the likelihood that they'll mark your messages as spam, which can damage your sender reputation. And in many countries, it's not even legal to acquire recipient emails without their permission, so better to avoid it altogether. Tip number 3, regularly review your recipient list and remove inactive subscribers. While there's no strict rule on how often to clean your email list, doing so every 6 months is generally considered a best practice. This will ensure you maintain a high-quality list of subscribers that are really interested in hearing from you, resulting in higher open rates and more conversions. Tip number 4. Flooding your audience's inbox with too frequent emails is another common rookie mistake. It's a fast track to the unsubscribe button. How often you send emails can depend on a variety of factors, such as your industry and business. For example, service-related businesses typically send emails once a week or bi-weekly, while e-commerce businesses may send emails almost every other day. As a general rule, send your email campaigns as often as you can without frustrating your subscribers. And there you have it, a complete beginner's guide to email marketing. By now, you should be ready to launch your first campaign. So why not head over to SiteGround Email Marketing and give it a try? As I mentioned, it's the easiest yet most powerful platform you'll find to get started. Remember, start small, track your progress, and tweak your email campaigns accordingly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on maximizing your email marketing efforts. See you soon!